Hey friends, my name is Catherine, and today we are going to take our next step in our journey to becoming paper ninjas. So far we have made ninja throwing stars, and we have made a ninja knife, but now we are going to make a sai, which is a kind of three-pronged stabbing knife. It's going to be awesome. You're going to love it. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half from corner to corner, and then in half from corner to corner the opposite direction, and then in half from side to side, and in half from side to side the opposite direction. Once we reach this point, stop for a second. We've got a rectangle, and it's got these nice V folds there and a crease down the middle. That is exactly what we want. We are going to bring the creased corner up so that the crease matches up with the center fold, and we've got that nice V there. So we've got one side. Then what we're going to do is flip it over and do the same thing to the other one, but on the opposite side. So we've got one flap going one way, one flap going the other way. We hold them flat and we stick our finger down the center, very middle, and flatten it out, and we are back at a square. Awesome, I know, right? From here, we are going to bring, let's see here, we are going to bring this upward. So we're going to take our topmost layer and lift it up, because we are going to have these outside edges come in to our center mark. So into the center from one side, and then into the center from the other side. And if you can see what I'm doing, it will hopefully, if it all comes together properly, open up and, lie flat on one side. Crease down the other side the same way from the point. I always find it easiest to go from the point toward the center, and from this point toward the center. And you should have something lying flat, kind of like this. It's got this crease right here, so it doesn't go all the way to the tip, and that's important. And then it lies flat there. So we're going to leave that open and flip our whole piece over so that our top is now our bottom. And what we are going to do is lift up these corner flaps that we have here, this one here and this one here. We've got a crease down the middle. We are going to lift up those corner flaps. I'll just crease that extra good for a moment real quick. And we've got a pocket right here, so we're going to open that up and lie it flat so that this fold matches up with this part, so that it lies flat and even, like that. And set that back over on itself, and then do the same thing for the other side, so that this fold matches up with this part and lies flat and even. Perfect. Okay. We're going to lie that back flat down as well, and then comes the part that I always have trouble remembering what we do. I believe flip it back over and take, yes. Okay, flip it back over and bring this flap up so that you see we've got a sort of zigzag here. This, we are going to bring the outer edge here to our crease at this side. So right there, and then that will hopefully, if we can convince it to, open up flat so that it lies straight there. Perfect. Okay, one side done. Same thing to the other side. bring it up, bring this edge over, so this raw edge over to our creased edge over here, our fold, hopefully. Sometimes it needs a little convincing, that's all right. And lie it flat. Perfect. Now, flip those two back down because we've made them move independently. They aren't zigzagged connected anymore. Then, what we are going to do is bring this whole side over and lift this edge outwards so that it goes as straight and flat to the side as possible. And then flatten it down. Oh, nope, that's not what I want. I want it flattened, aha, in that direction. So that this bottom crease here lines up with that. There we go. And then same thing again on the other side. Bring it outward. These two edges should be coming toward the bottom to meet each other. And if it all works out, hopefully, it ends up, see, that does not look the same. Why is that different? Because that's the way that I want that. So let's see what we see. There we go. That's better. That's more like it. There we go. Okay, something like that. Except maybe a little bit more up. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is bring these two edges inward. There. And there. And crease those down really well because I really do want them to lie flat. Okay. Almost done. We are going to bring these corners that are sticking outward and face them upward. And then we are going to reverse those folds so that they open. So if you open it, they reverse that way. There we go. One side and then open it and reverse it to the other side. Perfect. We are almost done. Flip the whole thing back over again. And now we've got this nice flat plane here, and we're going to open it up and fold this edge in once, and then again a second time, twice. There we are, and then lay that back down flat. Do the same thing to the other side. Bring it in once, and then again a second time, and lay it back down flat, and there we have it, a sai for ninja fighting. We are going to be paper ninjas, I swear it. This is what I did today. I am always trying new things and I put up new videos every day, so I encourage you to come and check back often because there is always something new to see. I hope that makes you want to subscribe. If you do, definitely hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. If you have any suggestions for things that you would like to see, any other ninja weapons you would like to see me make, or anything else I can that catches your fancy that you think I would be interested in doing too. I am always on the lookout for new things, so definitely let me know. And I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!